You can wear the best clothes, drive the fanciest car, even hit the gym every single day. But if you smell bad, none of it matters. The truth is, people remember how you make them feel. And nothing ruins that faster than bad odor. Imagine this. You're at a club. The music's good. The vibes are great. And a girl across the room seems genuinely interested in you. She walks up, smiles, starts talking. And then, just like that, her expression changes. You can tell something's off. She politely excuses herself, and you're left wondering what just happened. The answer? Your smell. It doesn't matter if it's body odor, bad breath, or just unwashed clothes. Smell is one of the strongest first impressions you make. The biggest problem is that most guys think smelling good is simple. Take a shower, spray some perfume, done. But it's not. Smelling great all day requires small, consistent habits. And no, it doesn't mean spending hundreds on luxury colognes. Today, let's break it down step by step. 5 simple, budget-friendly ways to smell good all day as a man. 1. Bad breath. You know what's worse than saying something awkward? Saying it with bad breath. Most men think brushing their teeth is enough. But the real culprit isn't your teeth. It's your tongue. That white, slimy layer on your tongue is full of bacteria that cause odor. The fix is simple. Use a tongue scraper every morning. Not your toothbrush. An actual scraper. It removes the bacteria your brush can't reach. Next, add a mouthwash. A simple bottle of Listerine will do the job perfectly. It's cheap, effective, and available everywhere. But let's say you're really broke and can't buy mouthwash. Here's a free trick. Take a slice of cucumber, place it on your tongue for 90 seconds and let it sit. Cucumber has natural chemicals that kill odor-causing bacteria and leave a refreshing, clean scent behind. And if you're eating out, maybe some spicy food or steak, always carry mint gum. It's not just polite, it's survival. 1 quick chew after a meal can save your entire evening. 2. Body odor. You walk into a room, someone subtly moves away, and you wonder if it's in your head. It's not. Body odor is one of the most common and most fixable problems for men. The main culprits? Sweat and bacteria, especially in your underarms and groin area. The solution comes in 2 steps. Step 1. Remove body hair from high sweat areas like underarms, chest, and down below. Hair traps sweat. Sweat breeds bacteria, and bacteria create odor. Shaving or trimming helps your body stay cleaner for longer. Step 2. Switch from soap to body wash. Soap strips your skin but doesn't kill enough bacteria. Use a body wash with a silicone scrubber. That scrubber deep cleans pores and removes dead skin, which is where bacteria love to live. Great budget options include Dr. Woods or Axe body wash. If you can spend a bit more, go for Method Men. It smells incredible and lasts all day. And for those with zero budget, the next step has a free hack that'll work just as well. 3. Perfume and deodorant. Every man has a smell. The good ones leave memories. The bad ones leave regrets. Don't just spray perfume on your shirt and hope for the best. There's a method to this. First, after your shower, apply a roll-on deodorant directly to your underarms. Go for Nivea or Minimalist. These not only smell fresh, but actually kill odor-causing bacteria. Then use perfume the right way. Spray it on your pulse points, wrists, neck, behind the ears and chest. These areas naturally warm up throughout the day, which helps your scent release slowly and consistently. If you're on a tight budget, try Bella Vita Sky Aquatic or Fresh. Both smell masculine, clean, and last long without being overpowering. And if you don't even have money for perfume, here's the free version. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to form a smooth paste. Apply it gently to your underarms for 10 minutes and rinse. Baking soda neutralizes odor while lemon juice kills bacteria. and both are probably sitting in your kitchen right now. 4. Keep your room clean. You could smell like heaven after your shower, but if your room smells like leftover food, that's what your clothes will absorb. You become a walking extension of your environment. So, make your room part of your hygiene routine. Wash your bed sheets twice a week, especially pillowcases. Fabric traps smells faster than you think. Open your windows, let in sunlight, and don't let dirty laundry pile up. If your space smells good, your clothes will too. Even a simple air freshener or a few drops of essential oil on your curtains can make a massive difference. 5. Hair. You ever hug someone and remember their scent hours later? That's the power of clean hair. Hair holds fragrance better than clothes, but it also traps pollution, sweat, and cooking smells. That's why it needs its own care routine. If you have thick hair, wash it daily with shampoo and conditioner. If it's thin or dry, go 3 to 4 times a week. A good option is minimalist shampoo and conditioner. They're great for both cleansing and repairing hair. And for a free, natural hack, rinse your hair with rose water 2 to 3 times a week. It balances scalp pH, prevents bad smells, and leaves a light floral scent that lasts all day. Plus, it's something you can easily make or find in most homes. When you smell good, something shifts inside you. You carry yourself differently. You talk with more confidence. You stop second-guessing if people are noticing something unpleasant. Smelling good isn't about showing off. It's self-respect. It tells the world you care about yourself enough to show up clean, fresh, and put together. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to smell rich. You just need small, smart habits. So, start today. Fix your breath, clean your body properly, use scent strategically, keep your surroundings fresh, and take care of your hair. These tiny details make a huge difference, not just in how people see you, but in how you see yourself. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe,